guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anmol, those of you don't know me, and you are on Anmol Wadhwani official. So today I thought to vlog my whole quarantine day with you guys and show you what I'm doing basically. So let me know down below in the comments what are you guys doing and how are you spending your quarantine time. And also I was getting really bored, so I thought to film a lot of videos today. So I'm going to do a lot of cooking and I'm gonna film. So let's go and see what I'm gonna do. Papa, how is your quarantine going?
I'm enjoying this quarantine because I am getting too much time for myself and doing different exercises in the evening and doing pranayam more perfectly now. I used to do it before.
Any message you want to give to the people in this time period?
Spend your time only on you. Don't think about.
But your time is spent on Netflix and your phone.
No, I am not seeing much of Netflix.
अच्छा,
I'm giving
जितने
time to
एपिसोड्स
myself.
हैं, जितने वो हैं, सब तो देख चुके हो आप.
If she will disturb like this, how can I?
Mummy, please don't disturb. This is
celebrity.
going to go on my vlog. You're eating chocolate?
I've worn nighty, let me wear a nice dress.
Mummy, quarantine.
There's nothing you can hide.
Mummy, I will put your this hair also.
You dare put my this vlog and you see.
अरे अच्छा, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है क्वारंटाइन का?
She's living her own life like before.
No.
There's no change in her
मम्मी के अंदर
I've
बहुत
started
चेंज है.
cooking. I've started doing workout. I've started spending time with Anmol more. That's it. And I've started playing cards more.
And you've started losing more.
Yeah, actually, the more I'm playing, the more I'm losing.
So yeah, I guess you saw what my parents were doing. I make sure I spend some time with them. Like, it's very important to spend some time with your family. You getting this time in quarantine, just make sure you are spending as much time as possible. So I just filmed one video and I'm on to my next video now. I had lunch, I took bath, I spent some time with them now, and I filmed also. So now I'm into my next video. So one video I shot is regarding skincare, like how I'm removing my facial hair and stuff, because it's very difficult in this quarantine time, and I don't know when is that going to go up on my channel. Maybe the vlog will go first, I'm not sure, but I'll keep you guys posted. So I just finished filming and I created this look right here. So I'll be putting up the tutorial on Instagram, so stay tuned for that and check it out if I post the tutorial before this vlog. But also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you guys can follow me over there as well. And today was a really productive day. I finished a lot of work. Like, I wanted to film a lot of stuff today because you don't want to film every day. So today was the day when I filmed a lot of videos and they're going to come up soon. Now I'm going to cook something for myself today at night. So it's all
अबे यार पागल हूँ यार मैं तो. Bihu done.
कोई आ जाओ
Bihu done the bihu. जब किसी गिटी करते रहे bihu done पता है?
2 6 4 1 6 4 पे गई है.
ऐसे मत करो यार.
Okay, so for making the hummus, we need all these ingredients. First thing we need is a little bit of garlic. We need some jeera powder. Then we need olive oil and 1 lemon. And we need paprika powder and tahini paste. This is the main ingredient which you need to make that creamier hummus. And the last thing, which is chickpeas, that is chana. तो मैंने इसको boil करके रखा हुआ है. And you don't have to throw the water, keep the water because you will need that. So now let's see how I make the hummus with all these ingredients.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
I was cool with the run around. Always had to hit the town, looking for a discount. We wanna get drunk, but only for a good amount. Music is the only sound. The pain's in the background, now when the vibe out. Said now when the vibe out. Every time I close my eyes, I see opportunity arise. All I wanna do is reach the skies. Sayonara to worldly ties. Why does life gotta be about a prize? Can't we live just to live? Maybe it's heaven I fantasize, but until I die, I can work with this. Let it go, yeah.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. Now my soul needs a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and I'm never gonna slow down.
For salad, we're taking little onion, cucumber, tomato, capsicum, and I just made you see how you have to make this. And this is a sumac powder, and we need paprika powder and half a lemon. So let's see how I'm making the salad now. How did I make the hummus? How is the food?
Excellent. Excellent is not the word. I'm sitting in Big Chills, getting the feel of Big Chills.
Cool.
Where it's so
It's
yummy.
Thumbs up.
Hummus and pita bread and salad.
Thumbs up. Cool. So yeah, that was my whole day. After playing Ludo, after having dinner, I just filmed one more video, and now I'm about to sleep. I'm extremely tired. So that was my whole day, guys. I hope you like the vlog. So I'll be back with something new. Till then, love and peace from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.